When people think of Jamaica, they think music, beaches, and vibes. But what if I told you? Jamaica has changed the world through science, medicine, and innovation. Here are 10 Jamaican inventions and discoveries you might not know about. 1. Prostate health research. Jamaican scientist Henry Lowe developed the Alpha Prostate Formula 1, a herbal supplement made mainly from ball moss. While it's not a clinically approved cure, his work sparked global interest in Jamaican herbal medicine and prostate health research. 2. Canasil, glaucoma, eye drops. Canasil is one of Jamaica's biggest medical breakthroughs. Developed at the University of the West Indies by Manly West and Albert Lockhart, it became the first anti-glaucoma eye drop made in the Caribbean using cannabis-derived compounds. 3. The Ortanique Ugli fruit. The Ortanique, also called the Ugli fruit, was developed in Mandeville by David Daniel Phillips. This sweet citrus hybrid thrives in Jamaica's cool hills and is now enjoyed worldwide. 4. Disease-resistant papaya. Jamaican biotechnologist Paula Tennant created Solo Sunrise, a papaya resistant to ring spot disease. Her work helped save the Caribbean papaya industry and made history in agricultural science. 5. The Jamaican prosthetic. Co-developed by Jamaican engineer Joel Sadler. The Jamaican knee is one of the most affordable prosthetic knees in the world, costing about $20, changing lives in developing countries. 6. Portable 3D inspection technology. Aerospace engineer Robert Rashford helped create the world's first portable 3D non-destructive evaluation system. This technology detects hidden defects in aircraft and spacecraft without taking them apart. 7. Jamaica's indigenous cattle breeds. Scientist Thomas Leckie developed 4 cattle breeds uniquely suited for tropical climates, resistant to disease and heat. For this work, he earned Jamaica's highest civilian honor. 8. Dengue fever breakthrough. During dengue outbreaks, Jamaican scientist Louis Grant identified the Aedes aegypti as the carrier, leading to national disease prevention campaigns. 9. Discovery of kwashiorkor. Born in Westmoreland, Cicely Williams discovered kwashiorkor, a severe form of childhood malnutrition. Her research transformed how the world treats undernourished children. 10. Chocolate milk. Ending on a sweet note. Historian James Delborgo documented that Jamaicans were drinking hot cocoa mixed with milk and spices as early as 1494, making Jamaica one of the earliest creators of chocolate milk-style drinks. From medicine to agriculture to space technology, Jamaica's impact goes far beyond the island. If you learned something new, like, share, subscribe, and represent Jamaican excellence.